Welcome to the Treasure Within, where we unbox things to see if there is treasure inside. That way you guys can find out before you spend your hard-earned money on it. Today we're going to be unboxing the Super Mario Lego. Mamma mia! We're super excited. We will be unboxing everything you guys see in this video, but today we are going to focus on the blind bags for the Lego Super Mario series. There's 10 you can collect. We're big Lego fans and big Super Mario fans, so we're super excited about this. We got 10 blind bags in hopes to get all 10, and we'll see what kind of odds we get. Usually we get pretty good odds with Lego blind bags, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the instructions. It does show you all 10 that you can possibly get. And on the back side, it does have instructions, which is good. Because usually they just show you like a random general one on minifigures. So I'm really glad they have some specific instructions for each one, because these look like they could get a little tricky. And it looks like our first one is Peepa. Super cute. I like that it has the tiny enemy or boss plus its own little background stand as well. Let's keep going. Ta-da! Buzzy Beetle. I'm so happy we had two different ones so far. These guys look legit. Oh no, it looks like we got another Peepa. That's okay, it's only one repeat. Hopefully we'll get more different ones. Oh, and another Buzzy Beetle. It's okay, 4 down. We still got 6 to go. Sweet. Okay, this one's gonna be different. Oh, this cactus is so cute. Get that second flower on there. And ta-da! Bullet Bill. Nice. Okay, 3 different. So we got, 5 more chances. Let's go. Looks like we got another different one. Ta-da! Eep cheap. I love saying that. Eep cheap. I'm so happy. I actually really wanted to get one of these fish ones. So I am super excited that we got an Eep cheap. This is great. Oh, it's nice. Okay, we got another different one. I love how it comes complete with the pyramid to show he's above the clouds. And it's, ta-da, Paragoomba. Super cute. Way above the clouds. It's really cute. Alright, another one that's different. We are going strong now, guys. These are some extra pieces, and we have, ta-da, urchin. So cute. And for those of you guys that don't know, the little scanning thing on the back is for the Mario to jump on to read. So it looks like we got another bullet bill. Let's hope we get something different. Nope. We got another Paragoomba as our last one, which isn't too bad. It looks like we got, out of the 10, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ones with 4 repeats. These are the ones that we got. Let us know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I think my personal favorite is the Eep Jeep. Super cute little fish guy. Let's go ahead and get into our metrics. First metric is this fun. Yes, it is super fun. I really like that there's more to more than just the minifigs. Normally it's just like a minifig and that's it, and sometimes they come with the stands, but with these they come with like extra background. For example, with Bullet Bill comes with the cactus, and the Paragoomba comes with the pyramid sitting on top of the cloud, and the Eep Jeep comes with a little seaweed. Like, just super cute, fun, extra little things. Is it legit? Yes, it is legit. Out of the 10, we got 6 different with only 4 repeats. One thing to note that I think is really cool about these, because they are enemies, it's okay to have repeats because you just have more enemies to defeat in your course before you get to the main boss, which I think is really cool, because that way it doesn't matter if you do get repeats, you just have more of the same enemies, but there's still enough variety to give you different bosses, so I think it's definitely legit. So next metric, cost. These things cost, I think it's the basic $4.99 as the regular Lego blind bags. So I'm going to give this, yes, it is good on the cost. Costs the same as the other minifigs, which I think is pretty cool, especially considering these are interactive with the Mario, and they come with extra like background pieces. So is this a treasure? Yes! So yes, this is a treasure. We really love, like we mentioned, it meets all 3 metrics. It's really fun, and we really love, like, as we mentioned in the legit metric, you can have multiple bosses. So like while it does kind of sucks to get multiple ones, it's not the end of the world. Whereas like with the regular minifigs, if you get like 2 Batmans, there's only 1 Batman, you know. Versus when you play with these, you can play with multiple boxes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because we will be doing a review and unboxing of the other Super Mario Lego sets. And we will be putting them all to the test to see if they are treasures within. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys next time.